We have no more wine.
I must see my son.
Your mother is coming.
They have no more wine.
What wilt thou have me to do for thee, that will I do. For mine hour is not yet come.
Whatsoever he saith unto you, see that ye do it.
Gather the water vessels and fill them.
Fill them.
With water. And bear unto the governor of the feast.
This is the first wedding feast I have ever attended, where the best of the wine has been saved for last.